Okay, guys, you're gonna set your pan up with a little bit of oil, not much oil, for your okra. And then we're going to start washing our okra. I got mine out the store. So these are not okra that I have cooked. And you just place them in there, wash them off. Because when you get ready to put them in the pan, you want to make sure that you remove all that water that's at the bottom down there. Maybe put them in there a little bit by a little bit, but see how I'm placing it in there, placing the okra in there a little bit. So making sure that they don't have no excess water. That you see a little bit of water, but not much. Okay, guys, so we have all the okra in the pan now. And, well, I thought we had all the okra in the pan, but we placing more okra little bit by little bit. Make sure there's not a lot of water in there. Okay, this is the back of the okra package. These are the directions. I never follow these directions. I do my own thing, and it comes out perfectly fine. This right here ain't it, baby. This ain't it. And I had to show you guys this. Do not follow the instructions. Do not. Now, make sure you have 1 cup of vinegar. And you place that vinegar in there. I'm sure you're gonna need maybe 2 cups. It's up to you, but I think I put like 2 cups in there. Place your fire on medium. Medium, high. No, just medium. Don't need to be that high, but make sure you stir it. You see that sliminess? We're trying to make sure that there's no slime in there. This is the part that's very, very important, guys. If you don't like your okra slimy, you have to keep checking to make sure that it's not slimy at all. And it's still slimy right there, still slimy. So we're going to check it again. We're going to check it again. And right here, we're checking it. And you see how that slime is starting to disappear? And plus the color of the okra is actually is turning a darker green. So this is how you know it's starting to cook. That vinegar is what helps that slime to be removed. I don't know what is it about vinegar, but it does it does its thing with it gets that slime out of there. But you have to keep watching your okra. Okay, guys, these are the ingredients I use: tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, all this, guys. You add this to the pot. And I did also add some dry shrimp and some sausages. It's totally up to you guys what you want to add to your okra, but this is what I add to bring out that extra flavor in the okra. Don't that look good, guys? Like, it's starting to cook with all the tomato sauce, tomato paste, the crushed tomato, all that mixed together. And you got to make sure. Now, guys, this is the chicken cubes. You add that also. Like, I only added 1. So you don't need much of this. That's if you don't want to add the chicken stock. But you keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Do not let it burn. May need to lower your fire just a little bit so it doesn't burn at the bottom, because it will if you leave it on there and you do not watch it. Look how that's coming out, guys. It looks so good. It looks really, really, really good. Excuse my stove. But that's what happens whenever you're cooking. We're gonna keep stirring this baby. Stir it. And here, look, guys, look how it's coming out. This is how your okra should come out. No slimy okra. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye, guys. Doesn't this look good? Oh, my goodness. This looks really good, guys. Y'all have to see, look, my facial expression on how I taste it. This looks good. Oh, it fell. Guys, I recorded this around Christmas, so please excuse the elf on the shelf in the background and the Christmas tree and all that, but it's really good, guys. The flavor was magnificent. And that is all, guys. I know I already said. Look at that, guys. Look at that okra. I know y'all want to bite. I know y'all want to bite. Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.